welcome back to Total Combatives. Today, I'm going to teach you how to do the single hand around the neck. So let's get started. We're going to break this technique down into two parts. We're going to begin with around the head swing. So it comes up over the head, and then coming back around it makes contact. It's very important that your hand touches your neck. You don't want to touch the handle to your neck, and you don't want to touch your forearm to your neck. It's going to be your hand. Just practice that. Try to make contact with your shoulder a little bit. If you do it too hard, you'll hit yourself in the face, and that won't feel good. Once you get this motion down, you can go to the next step. Okay, we're ready to move on. So now you're going to actually release it. Try to get it to land straight in front of you. You don't want it 45 degrees this way or 45 degrees this way. You want it to be almost exactly straight in front of you. So around the neck, toss it. Around the neck, toss it. Once you get your toss down, you can try to catch it. So as you let go, you come back, catch it. You let go, come back and catch. Let go, it'll be about right here, you come back and catch. Let go, right here. And I messed up on that one. It's a very hard technique to get down, and you will mess up. I've been doing this one for a while now, and every once in a while, you just don't nail it right. Around the neck, toss, catch. Around the neck, toss, catch. Around the neck, toss, catch. Make sure that as you spin it and you let go, that you are using the same toss that you used to get it in front of you. You don't want it to do like a horseshoe ring around your neck. It won't feel good, for one, and even if you do this toss where it's like right here and you catch it right here, that really is not the technique. It needs to leave your body and be caught in front of you. Practice that, and then you can use this next drill to train it on both of your hands. Now we're going to do a drill that'll help you evenly train this technique with both hands. So you're going to start with the nunchucks in your dominant hand. I'm right-handed, so I'll use my right. I'm going to do an around the neck toss and catch. Now as you catch it, the momentum of the nunchuck after looping around your neck is going to be like that. So follow it over with your hand to your hip. From there, loop it around to your other hip, which will place the end of the nunchuck behind your back. Now as it whips around, catch it with your free hand. From there, you'll switch to your non-dominant hand and repeat the process. I just dropped it. It's still pretty hard for me to catch it every time with my left hand. I'm a lot more skilled with my right. But after you bring it up in your left hand, you perform your catch and you do the exact same thing. Follow it down to that hip, loop around, catch it in the right. And you repeat, just constantly changing it out. Work with that, start slow. You have to be fast enough so you get that catch. If you try the catch and you're slow, you can do it, but that momentum really will help you. You need that momentum in that swing to get it where you need it to be. If you don't have enough momentum and you're trying to do it like this, it'll literally just die to the side right there, and it won't even clear your shoulder. You need it to clear, come in front of you. And yeah, just keep on going. Start moderately slow, enough to get that momentum, but just enough to get that technique down. Once you have that down, you can increase, go faster and faster until you can do it way faster than I can. So anyways, if you enjoyed this video, if you learned anything at all, please smash the thumbs up button down below. And if you haven't already, consider subscribing. That way every time I release a new nunchuck tutorial or rope dart tutorial, self-defense, or any of the other things I have planned for the future, you'll be notified and you can officially be one of my YouTube students. Now until next time, remember, Christ is Lord.